lane 6.
She absolutely has, and I know Coach Giles Greenwood is in the crowd watching and will be shouting for her right now.
Of the Gambia not here, but we start then on the inside in lane 2 with Lee of Montserrat.
She's on her toes, she does well, got the leg strength to stand.
Ellis, world junior bronze medalist over the 200 metres back in
big drive to arm's length.
7th.
Check the referees are happy.
2-1.
She gets it 2-1, a little soft overhead. There is a discussion going on at the jury table. So they are sitting still. Does really well, she's on her toes.
In the shake-up for the semis here. Conicheshi of the Soto semi-finalist in the
See the bar slightly in front, manages to get herself back underneath it.
Performed this year. Frustrated
with how hard that was.
Just off the podium again.
She's secured a total 176 kilos.
But he's a big stage performer, and he will love
Montserrat
the fact
comes out for Bangladesh, and she's got a
crowd. Johnny Kean of Samoa.
Chloe had to
massive PB this season to get down to 10.78. Might need another, I suspect. Doren Webster got a PB in the heats of the Caribbean Games earlier this year. He represents Anguilla, and he'll be on the outside nearest the camera in 8.
Space on the platform.
So as Tim was saying in the first of the heats, it's pretty brutal qualification.
He really fights for it. I think that's going to be okay.
Yeah, good lift.
2-1, the central referee.
Jamaican in 3.
Little circumspect about the performance.
Oh, we see, really has to fight once again, pulls the bar onto her, this time catches the bounce only just, drops the chest as she stands, which is why she had the run forward. Because the feet are moving forwards and backwards, she needed more space on the platform. Look at the arms, big drive.
Beginning of what he hoped to be a successful.
Maybe she was lucky. There was movement in her left elbow there.
10.
It just makes it very difficult. You see the black sleeves against black on the background. I can't see where the elbow is and where it's not. So,
well, Stephen Donovan from Wales is the central referee. He's physically absolutely head on to her, and much closer than we are.
And I think the difficulty in judging that lift was the sleeves, and the sleeves have been brought in for religious reasons to make this sport more inclusive, so everybody can take part, which is amazing. The challenge then is when you've got something of the same colour, it does make it very difficult to
Jamaican pulled up.
That's going to be Chloe Wiley to come out of the game to complete her Commonwealth Games.
Conserving energy ahead of the semis. He was just
coming out on Doren, so she is going to go for a personal best.
Got into his running and very smooth and comfortable. Good value for a 10.1 qualification through to the semi-finals.
Well, Simbine got stronger and stronger as the race wore on, didn't it? He hasn't had a vintage season by his own standards, although he was 5th in Eugene.
Crossing their fingers for her right now.
South African colours. The last 3 World Championships, he's been 5th, 4th and 5th. He's only ranked 7th in the Commonwealth this year, but I rather fancy he's going to go better than that. Here he is, the reigning champion, remember, and that's a big winning margin. Really, it was almost an exhibition run, wasn't it?
I'm not sure.
I think so.
I think there was a press out on the left arm.
Went behind anyway, it's irrelevant.
Ellis did have a
Chloe Wiley bows out of her first Commonwealth Games. Now she's going to go into it. Well, that's Chloe all over. Well done, Chloe.
The second automatic spot as we get
see his shoulders a long way forwards. Pulls her onto her toes as soon as the bar passes the knees. Dips behind the bar of the jerk before she
30
starts.
metres or so to go. Looks like he's got second spot under control. Pulls back towards the line.
Next stop
came through and outdipped into the zone.
A holiday in Zanzibar with her boyfriend, Xavier.
Catherine Murray will know that full well as a world-class sprinter herself.
Sounds like a nice wrap to the competition to me.
The men's 100 meters at the World Athletics Commonwealth Games in Birmingham delivered a breathtaking display of speed, power, and sheer competitiveness. The race brought together some of the finest sprinters from across the globe, representing nations such as South Africa, Jamaica, Montserrat, Anguilla, Samoa, and Australia. From the start, it was clear that the field would produce a thrilling contest, with athletes determined to advance to the semi-finals and make their mark on the world stage. In lane 6, the South African sprinter looked poised and focused, while Montserrat's Lee lined up on the inside in lane 2, bringing his experience from previous regional competitions. Michael Ellis, representing Jamaica, had notable past achievements, including a 7th-place finish in the 200 meters at the 2016 Under-20 World Championships. Doren, the Australian national champion, was a serious contender, determined to secure his place in the semifinals after impressing in the heats in Oregon a few weeks earlier. Meanwhile, Conicheshi, an African silver medalist this year, carried a reputation for performing exceptionally well on the biggest stages. Other athletes, including Johnny Kean of Samoa, Webster of Anguilla, and a Jamaican sprinter clocking 10.78 seconds this season, were all eager to make a statement. The race itself was fiercely competitive, with every athlete pushing to their limits. The Jamaican sprinter initially surged ahead, demonstrating smooth acceleration and impressive power through the mid-phase of the race. Sabine, representing South Africa, showcased remarkable strength and composure, accelerating steadily and maintaining form throughout, ultimately qualifying comfortably for the semifinals with a time of 10.1 seconds. His performance highlighted the importance of pacing and energy management, especially in high-stakes competitions like this one. As the race approached the finish, the battle for the remaining spots intensified. Ellis, despite a strong start, was narrowly overtaken in the final meters by Australia's Doren and other challengers. The finish was so tight that even photo finish technology was required to determine second and third places. Ultimately, Afghanistan clinched victory with a remarkable 10.1-second performance, while Australian Jack Doren crossed the line just behind at 10.39 seconds. Jamaica's Ellis settled for a close third at 10.41 seconds, demonstrating the razor-thin margins that define elite sprinting. Beyond this race, the event was a showcase of talent, strategy, and national pride. Jamaican sprinter Ellis, born in August 1987, remains one of the country's standout athletes. Specializing in both the 100 and 200 meters, Ellis has a distinguished record, including a bronze medal in the 200 meters at the 2016 World Under-20 Championships and a bronze in the 100 meters at the 2018 Commonwealth Games. He also secured gold in the 4x100 meters relay at the 2018 Commonwealth Games and a gold medal in the 200 meters at the NACAC Championships in Toronto. His achievements place him among Jamaica's finest sprinters, alongside prominent names like Akim Brake, Brixie Field, Johanna Brake, and Trevon Plummer. Looking ahead, the 2025 World Athletics Championships in Tokyo, Japan, promise to be another thrilling chapter for these athletes. Sprinters such as Brixie Field, Akim Brake, and Trevon Plummer will compete in both the 100 and 200 meters, facing top competitors from the USA and other leading nations. Fans eagerly anticipate high-level performances, showcasing not only raw speed, but also strategic racing and mental fortitude. The Commonwealth Games race in Birmingham offered a tantalizing preview of what lies ahead, reminding the world of the dedication, talent, and sheer excitement inherent in track and field. Ultimately, this 100 meters race was more than a competition. It was a testament to athletic excellence. The margins were razor-thin, the tension palpable, and the performances unforgettable. From South Africa to Jamaica, Australia to Afghanistan, each sprinter demonstrated speed, determination, and the relentless pursuit of glory. As the track and field community looks toward Tokyo 2025, the legacy of these performances will inspire athletes and fans alike, showcasing the thrilling drama and timeless appeal of sprinting at the highest level.